As we enter the 21st century, we are witnessing an unprecedented, technological, revolution that is transforming our lives in ways that were once unimaginable. One of the most exciting and transformative developments of this revolution is the rise of artificial intelligence, AI technology. In this video, we will explore the wonders of AI technology and its impact on the world, including some attractive examples that showcase the potential of this powerful technology. What is AI technology? AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI technology uses algorithms and machine learning models to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make predictions based on that data. This technology has been used to develop intelligent systems that can perform tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. How AI is impacting the world. AI technology is already having a significant impact on the world, and its potential for further transformation is enormous. Here are just a few examples of the ways in which AI is already changing our lives. Healthcare. AI is being used to improve the accuracy of medical diagnoses and to develop new treatments. For example, AI algorithms are being used to analyze medical images and detect signs of disease that might be missed by human doctors. Transportation. Autonomous driving is one of the most exciting applications of AI technology. Self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic accidents and make transportation more efficient. Education. AI technology is being used to develop personalized learning systems that can adapt to the individual needs of students. This technology can help students learn at their own pace and provide them with immediate feedback on their progress. Finance. AI is being used to improve fraud detection and prevent money laundering. Banks and financial institutions are using AI algorithms to analyze customer behavior and identify suspicious activity. Environment. AI is being used to monitor and protect the environment. For example, AI-powered drones can monitor the health of crops, detect wildfires, and track the movement of wildlife. Attractive examples of AI technology. Here are a few examples of AI technology that are both impressive and attractive. AlphaGo. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo program made headlines when it defeated the world champion at the ancient Chinese board game Go. This achievement demonstrated the potential of AI to master complex games that were previously thought to be too difficult for computers to play. Deep Dream. Deep Dream is a project developed by Google that uses a neural network to create psychedelic images from ordinary photos. This project showcases the potential of AI to create art and transform images in unique and unexpected ways. Siri. Siri is a virtual assistant developed by Apple that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to user commands. This technology has transformed the way we interact with our devices and has paved the way for other virtual assistants, such as Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. Tesla Autopilot. Tesla's autopilot system uses AI to enable autonomous driving. This technology is already in use in Tesla's vehicles and has the potential to revolutionize transportation by reducing the number of accidents and making driving more efficient. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is a powerful AI system that is being used in a variety of fields, including healthcare, finance, and education. Watson's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions based on that data has the potential to transform these fields and improve the lives of millions of people. Conclusion. AI technology is transforming our world in ways that were once unimaginable. From healthcare to transportation, education to finance, AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. As we continue to develop and refine this powerful technology, we can expect to see even more impressive and attractive examples of its impact on the. For more details, please subscribe and press the bell icon for get alert regarding the new videos of this topic. Thank you for the interesting to change the world. See you soon.